Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A30s, and let me show you how to activate safe mode on the following device. So at first you have to tap on power key, hold it for a while, and once you see power off icon, just keep holding until the notification about rebooting to safe mode appears. So once you can see it, just tap again to restart your device in safe mode, and it will be done within a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see, now we are in safe mode, so you can use your device with all third-party applications deactivated. Here it is, so just use it, test your device. As you can see, for example, Spotify is not active, and then also the browser. And if you'd like to go back to the normal mode, once you detect all the issues, just tap on power key, hold it for a while, and click on restart to go back to the normal mode. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back in the normal mode with all applications active, so you can use your device as usually. And that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.